Hello friends, this is Amit Thakur. Welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about the bubble sort and how can we implement this sorting in Java. Before starting, I would request you to like the video and click on subscriber button. Okay, so bubble sort. See this is also asked many times in the many interviews. This is also frequently asked question in the interviews. And bubble sort is very simple algorithm which is used to sort a given set of element in an array. Okay, so example, we have these many elements in the array like 27, 78, 14, like this. So total 7 elements are there. These are unsorted. These are not sorted. Okay, so what happens in the bubble sort? Normally, each element, okay, compare like see this zeroth index element will compare with the 78. Okay, if it is greater than 78, 27 is greater than 78, then it will swap. Otherwise, it will not swap. Then okay, then this element will compare with the adjacent element, next element. Okay, 78 is greater than 14. Yes, 78 is greater than 14. So 78 will move to here and 14 will come here. Like this, 78 will reach here last index. Okay, so what will happen? This section, okay, you can say in the array it is sorted in one pass. Okay, then second pass, what will happen? This is already sorted, right, this section. So these elements will be participated in comparison, not this one. Okay, so in the second pass, what will happen? The second highest number like 44, I believe 44, right? No, 51, sorry, 51. So 51 will come here in this position, second last position. Okay, so these two position will be sorted. So here you will see 51 and here you will see 78. Okay, so these two positions will be sorted in the second pass. So comparison will happen between only these remaining element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this comparison happens. And okay, so that's why so if you will see n minus 1 comparison, so see total elements are 7, right? So if you will see the comparison, 1 comparison, 2 comparison, 3 comparison, 4 comparison, 5 comparison, 6 comparison, right? In the pass 1 total element is 7. Okay, 7 minus 1, correct? 7 1 minus 1 comparison. In the second pass, what will happen? Comparison will happen only these elements. So this one comparison 27 to 78, two comparison, three comparison, four comparison, five comparison. This is already sorted, right? So here it will not come. So total 5. So n minus 2, 7 minus 2 means 5, correct? So like this it will work. So n minus 1 plus n minus 2, n minus 3 to 1. So if you will sum it, then it will be n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, means n square minus n by 2. So highest number is n square, correct? So the time complexity is will be that n square, big O of n square. For this is a bubble sort. So many interview can ask like what is the time complexity for the bubble sort. So you can say this is the big O of n square. Okay, so here as you know we are going to swap the element. So for swapping the element, we required one temp variable where we can store the element for temporary purpose, right? So, so only we are using only one variable temp. So space complexity is big O of 1. That's why space complexity is a big O of 1 because you are using only one element for the swapping purpose. I hope you guys have understand what is the bubble sort. It's a very simple algorithm. Okay, now let's try to implement this algorithm in Java. How can we implement it? Okay, let's go to here. Let's create a new class. Okay, so bubble sort, bubble sort demo, and I will select this public static void main. So we have the main method here. Okay, now what I will take, okay, as input we have the list of house number example. Okay, house nums. Okay, and I will use same example. Okay, just I will do copy paste. So right now these are the unsorted, right? Okay, after sorting, okay. So now Okay, so let me first print the numbers. Okay, house number in answer for loop SYSO. Okay, I will remove this ln. So I plus space. I'm just giving a space. I'm just try simply. I'm just uh, print this element basically. Nothing I'm doing. SYSO, SYSO and control space. Okay. So here I mentioned before sorting, right? Before sorting, how my array looks like. So that's why I'm printing here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will make one method or function which will take this array as a input. Okay, house nums. Okay, bubble sort. Just create the method. Quick fix create method. So see, it's created the method here. Very simple. Okay. Now, now, as I mentioned, we have to take one temp variable. Okay, so first I will just simply take the temp variable like this. Okay, and here I will use the outer loop. So here we will use the two for loop. Okay, so first for the first we will use the outer loop. So here I will take int I equal to I equal to house nums. Okay, dot length. Okay, minus 1. See here, as I mentioned, how many elements are there? Total 7 elements are there, right? And we have to do okay n minus 1 comparison. Okay, n minus 1 comparison will happen here, right? So this last index will be sorted. So okay, so this will be sorted, right? N minus 1. After that, this n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. Like this, it will work. So this will be our outer loop basically, because in the first pass, this part will be you can say this part will be sorted. So okay, and the second pass, this part will be these many this part will be sorted. Like this, it will keep on going. Okay, so n minus 1 and I is greater than 0. Okay, and I minus minus, because see first I will take okay because there are 6 comparison will happen, right? Correct. So that's why we are taking the outer loop here. Okay, so here we will have the 6. I value will be the 6 because length is the 7. 7 minus 1, 6. And 6 is greater than 0, correct, right? Inside the inner loop, what we are doing, we are going to swap this element. Okay, so we'll compare with this element with this element, right? 0th index will compare with the first one. Then this one, first one will compare with the second one. Okay, so for this I will using int j, correct, j equal to 0, and I am going to compare. Okay, and j less than I, right? J plus plus. Okay, so because I will compare this 0th index with the first index. So okay, if if house number j is greater than house number j plus 1, means this one 0th is greater than first position. Okay, then what I will do, I will have the temp variables. I will take this house number j first. Okay, in the temp. So now it is empty. I have the value in my temp example. Okay, now house number j equal to j plus 1 because I'm trying to swap, right? So this value come here in the j, and now this house number j1 plus 1 is empty. Okay, so here I will assign the temp value. Okay, so likewise this it will work. And then j plus plus, correct? J plus plus j become the 1. Okay, and here it will be 2. So this house number 1 is greater than house number 2, right? So 78 is greater than 14. This is the 1, this is the 2. Index 1, this is index 2. Yes, true. So it will swap. So now 14 will come here, 78 will reach to here. Likewise, it will work. Okay. So total 6 comparison will be happen here. Okay, n minus 1. Okay, after then I minus minus. So it will become 5. Okay, because this last position will be sorted because this 78 will reach to here in the first pass. Okay, so only these one elements will be remaining. In the second pass, this 51, second highest, will reach to the second last position. Okay, and then 44, that will reach to this third last position. Okay, like this it will work. Okay, now uh, let me just print this after sorting. Okay, after sorting, let me print the element. Okay, so for int j house numbers, let me just print nothing. We are doing nothing, just printing the element. Okay, okay, let me run the program. Control F11. So, okay, see. So before sorting, we have element like 27, 78, 14, 44, 15, 29, 51, right? After sorting, see, it's in increasing order like 14, 15, 27, 29, 44, 51, 78, right? So we have the output. Okay, so in the worst case, let's say example, this array is already sorted. Okay, okay, then this comparison is not required, right? We don't need to compare again and again, right? So what we can do, we can improve the, we can do the optimization in the sorting. So let me take this sorted array instead of here, just comment this code. Okay, and here I will put the sorted array example. Okay, comma, 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 comma. Okay, so this is already sorted, right? Okay, so but still it will compare all the elements. So I don't want to compare these elements because uh, this array is already in sorted. So we can improve the time complexity. For this we can use one flag here to improve the to optimize the bubble sort, basically sorting. So I will use one flag, actually flag, let's say equal to 0, or like flag like is already sorted. So first I will say false. Okay, sorry, so I will use boolean. Okay, is already sorted. Okay, so obviously if this is already sorted, then what will happen, like when it will not go inside this loop, because right, if it is already sorted, then it will never go in this inside this loop, in this inside this condition, sorry, in this condition, to swap the element. So here if it's already sorted, it's false. So I will make it true, something like this. Okay, so it's already sorted, so I will say, like example, okay, I will true, and here I will make it as false example. This will be better, I think. Okay, it's already sorted, true. I assume that already, so array is already sorted, but it will say no, it's not sorted because it's coming inside this condition. Okay, so where it's, this is closing inside here. Okay, so I have to just break the outer loop basically. Okay, so if is already sorted, let's see. What happens? Because it will print only once. Let's see, control F11. See, one time only. Correct? So we can improve the optimization with the help of this flag. So second time what will happen? It will break and it will not go again to compare the element. Okay, it will not go only in the past one we will come to know that no element is here. Okay, to sort it. All elements already sorted. So this is the thing. Okay, thank you guys to watch this video. If you have any question, please put your questions in the comment box. I will try to give you the answer. Thank you. Bye bye.